A fresh-off-the-lot SUV can devour more maintenance dollars in its debut year than the typical American household allocates for their entire annual food expenses. That's merely the opening act. In the coming 16 minutes, you'll avoid 3 budget-busting disasters, identify 4 standout winners, and meet one overlooked champion that humbles certain premium brands. Miss a single segment and you could overlook the crucial advice that preserves thousands of dollars. Navigate intelligently, not desperately because the highway ahead favors the prepared. Car number 1. Hyundai Kona. Small package, big problems. What happens when manufacturers prioritize compact dimensions over fundamental engineering? The 2025 Hyundai Kona delivers a harsh lesson in cost-cutting consequences, where every pothole becomes a cabin-shaking reminder of its torsion beam suspension limitations. Federal testing reveals this setup transfers 29% more road harshness compared to sophisticated multi-link competitors, turning routine commutes into endurance challenges. It gets worse. The dashboard's purple-tinted backlighting disappears entirely after dusk, forcing drivers to grope blindly for essential climate controls while navigating traffic. One Seattle nurse described her night shifts as piloting with half the instruments dark, a dangerous distraction that safety experts condemn. But that's not all. Mechanical reliability stumbles badly, with early data showing 13% of engines developing bearing knock before reaching 32,000 miles, nearly 4 times competitive averages. Hyundai deflects blame toward inconsistent fuel standards, yet warranty rejections spike for owners using anything below premium grades. The reason this is happening? Rushed development timelines compromise suspension tuning, interior quality, and parts sourcing. Component shortages now stretch repair waits to 7 weeks, stranding frustrated customers. A Tennessee student accumulated $1,150 in rideshare costs during her 61-day throttle replacement ordeal, expenses she couldn't absorb. Skip the Kona's false economy and invest in genuine quality instead. Car number 2. Volkswagen Tiguan. The stealth cash drain. Ever notice how certain crossovers promise efficiency, yet secretly hemorrhage fluids? The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan executes this costly deception masterfully, with documented oil consumption averaging 1 quart every 1,100 miles, 5 times Volkswagen's published normal specifications. Project this across standard 14,000-mile annual usage, and owners purchase 13 additional quarts beyond regular service intervals. It's like funding an invisible leak that never stops flowing. But listen to this. Excessive consumption signals failing turbo seals. Yet dealerships dismiss complaints until catastrophic $4,800 turbo failures strike around 58,000 miles. European automotive journals document these premature breakdowns monthly, identifying oil starvation as the primary destroyer. Meanwhile, the advertised 7-passenger capacity proves fantasy, third-row space cramming adults into pretzel positions, while teenagers refuse the torture. It gets crazier. The touch slider climate interface demands dangerous attention away from driving. Stuttgart University measured 43% longer glance durations versus traditional knobs. Distracted driving kills productivity and safety. Insurance premiums reflect poor repairability grades, while 3-year values crater to 46% as competitors maintain 59%. The reason this is happening? Current engineering prioritized manufacturing savings over long-term durability, creating reputation-damaging oil consumption that destroys resale confidence. Volkswagen's upcoming 2026 hybrid promises sealed pistons and physical controls, but current buyers absorb tomorrow's depreciation today. Avoid the Tiguan's hidden costs and choose transparent alternatives. Car number 3. Ford Explorer XLT, the dealership regular. Picture purchasing your dream family hauler only to watch it vacation more at the service center than your actual vacations. Meet the 2025 Ford Explorer XLT, whose reliability chasm stretches wider than its cargo capacity promises. Transportation Department records document median parts delays of 21 days for drivetrain repairs. One Denver mother logged 49 service days during her inaugural ownership year. She practically adopted Ford's loaner fleet instead of bonding with her purchase. It gets worse. Interior components surrender faster than warranty ink dries. Artificial leather cracks before your first payment arrives. electrical switches develop rattles over modest bumps, and that premium panoramic roof requires technicians to discreetly add weather stripping for persistent wind noise elimination. But that's not all. The hybrid's complex 10-speed automatic hunts constantly on gentle grades, repeatedly engaging protective limp modes. Leaked internal documents reveal torque converter breakdowns at merely 188 degrees Fahrenheit, substantially below industry standards. Extended repair marathons compound financial pain as rental coverage expires after 14 days, yet Explorers frequently require month-long service stays, forcing owners to absorb $58 daily rental bills. The reason this is happening? Ford prioritizes fleet customers over individual buyers when parts shortages arise, since municipal contracts generate higher volumes than retail sales. Insurance companies responded with 12% premium hikes, reflecting poor repair accessibility. Unless badge prestige outweighs reliability concerns, steer away from Explorer ownership headaches and reclaim your schedule, comfort, and savings. Interrupt the disasters, hit subscribe and activate alerts so your next purchase begins with wisdom, not expensive surprises. Car number 4. Kia Telluride. Premium ambiance, practical pricing. Envision luxury executives designing flagship elegance, while family engineers insisted on real-world functionality. That collaboration created the 2025 Kia Telluride. Its commanding road presence attracts envious stares, yet genuine brilliance emerges within. Second-row captain's chairs offer ventilation and massage features, while legitimate third-row space provides 33.2 inches of legroom, adult-worthy dimensions exceeding class norms by 6 inches. But listen to this. Acoustic engineers embedded 498 pounds of sound-dampening materials throughout, achieving Lexus-rivaling 64 decibel readings at highway velocities. Premium quietness, typically reserved for luxury badges, now appears at mainstream prices. The proven 3.8-liter V6 hauls 5,900 pounds while delivering 28 mpg highway through intelligent 8-speed programming. It gets better. Owner satisfaction studies crowned Telluride segment champion for 3 straight years. Buyers consistently applaud the 12.3-inch curved display, seamlessly blending navigation with parking assistance. Confidence soars during tight maneuvering scenarios. Safety credentials impress equally. An Alabama family walked away from severe side impacts with minimal injuries. Investigators credited Telluride's 0.88G roof strength exceeding federal minimums by 36%. The reason this is happening? Kia invested in structural integrity typically found in luxury segments, earning 12% insurance discounts for superior occupant protection. Automotive expert Rachel Chen summarizes, "The Telluride delivers first-class ambiance without first-class debt." Future insight. Kia's planned 2026 turbo hybrid system will likely boost current model residuals further. Choose the Telluride for authentic luxury comfort, serene cabins, and protected investments. Car number 5. Subaru Crosstrek. The confidence builder. Remember when winter conditions meant canceled adventures? The 2025 Subaru Crosstrek transforms seasonal driving anxiety into year-round exploration confidence, with symmetrical all-wheel drive maintaining grip where conventional systems surrender. Federal claims data shows Crosstrek owners file 41% fewer traction-related incidents than compact crossover averages, generating substantial insurance savings that quietly reward smart buyers year after year. It gets better. Generous 9.1 inches of ground clearance conquers obstacles that strand ordinary crossovers, while fold-flat rear configurations expand cargo volume to 1,625 liters, sufficient for dual mountain bikes plus full camping loads. The dashboard preserves blessed simplicity, permitting climate changes without hunting touchscreen labyrinths during crucial driving moments. But that's not all. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine delivers modest 185 horsepower yet feels adequately spirited thanks to refined CVT mapping maintaining optimal RPM ranges. Updated EyeSight 4.3 systems now scan intersection approaches. Tokyo testing confirms 41% collision reductions during challenging left-turn situations. The reason this is happening? Subaru prioritizes real-world capability over paper specifications, creating crossovers that excel in demanding conditions most owners eventually encounter. Country mechanics appreciate the Boxer engine's turbo-free design, and chain-driven timing belt replacements vanish entirely. Master technician Lisa Rodriguez confirms, these power plants routinely surpass 210,000 miles with basic service schedules. Durability beats complexity every time. Forward-looking development. Subaru's incoming plug-in Crosstrek Wilderness offers 42-kilometer electric range in 2026, potentially lifting current model values. Select the Crosstrek for unwavering confidence, practical versatility, and enduring reliability. Car number 6. Mazda CX-50, precision handling in family form. What occurs when sports car DNA infiltrates practical crossover engineering? The 2025 Mazda CX-50 delivers that exhilarating fusion, transforming routine errands into engaging driving experiences rather than mundane transportation duties. Engineers repositioned the power plant 8 centimeters rearward, achieving exceptional 53/47 weight distribution that attacks corners with scalpel-like accuracy. But listen to this. Independent testing confirms 0.91 grams lateral grip, surpassing BMW X3 performance, while maintaining 28 mpg highway efficiency through sophisticated cylinder deactivation technology. A Montana adventure photographer recalls ascending mountain switchbacks with equipment loaded, crediting G-Vectoring Control's subtle weight management for telepathic handling responses. It gets crazier. Interior refinement elevates every journey through genuine Napa surfaces and precision-machined aluminum details, echoing MX-5 heritage without luxury pricing penalties. Chief designer Kenji Matsumoto explains their philosophy. Flowing horizontal lines reduce visual stress. Calm drivers make better decisions. Truth delivered. Composure enhances safety. The reason this is happening? Mazda emphasizes driver engagement over pure utility, engineering crossovers that reward spirited operation while handling family responsibilities. Adventure capability includes revised terrain programming for loose surface confidence, while 9.1 inches clearance protects essential components. Risk analysis firms record 31% fewer off-road claims versus segment competitors, reducing insurance costs accordingly. Next-generation development. Mazda's forthcoming 2026 plug-in hybrid promises 48-kilometer electric range, likely strengthening current model residual performance. Choose the CX-50 for sports car reflexes, interior sophistication, and future-protected value. Car number 7. Toyota RAV4, the unshakable standard. Approach every fuel purchase as portfolio management. Minimize expenditures while maximizing asset preservation. Using this metric, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 maintains absolute dominance, blending authentic 32 mpg, real-world economy, with outstanding 64% 3-year residuals, the segment's undisputed gold standard. But that's not all. Reliability research documents the lowest failure rates in class, merely 76 problems per 100 vehicles versus industry averages of 201 issues. Interior thoughtfulness shines through reclining rear seating and cargo areas, accommodating full-size strollers without wheel removal. Exhausted parents value considerate engineering. A Florida pediatrician reports her children campaign for rear seats, thanks to panoramic glass filtering 95% of harmful UV rays. It gets better. Toyota's continuous improvement philosophy replaced basic glass with dual laminate acoustic barriers, cutting cabin noise by 5 decibels for library-quiet cruising comfort. Advanced Safety Sense 3.7 merges millimeter wave radar with optical processing, enabling full-range adaptive cruise, reducing driver fatigue substantially. Traffic enforcement statistics confirm 17% fewer rear-end accidents among equipped vehicles. The reason this is happening? Toyota's methodical development prioritizes long-term ownership satisfaction over flashy features, creating vehicles that perform consistently across decades rather than exciting showrooms briefly. Financial analysts predict Toyota's approaching 2027 hydrogen hybrid RAV4 will maintain gasoline model relevance, protecting current investments indefinitely. Lock-in RAV4 dependability for stress-free ownership and bulletproof resale confidence. 7 crossovers, 2 distinct futures. 3 devour bank accounts while 4 build lasting value. Choose correctly, and your garage houses an asset, not a liability. Curious about 2026's revolutionary driver assistance technologies promising near-autonomous capability? Subscribe immediately, enable notifications, and stay ahead of automotive revolution. Not professional advice, consult a qualified expert as needed.